Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I'm currently long in a few positions in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. First, here on the monthly chart, we can see strong buy side delivery here. This order block and fair value gap has given Bitcoin some strong buy side delivery here into all-time highs. Here on the weekly, we can see this very bullish up close candle here, disrespecting this fair value gap here, or not disrespecting this fair value gap, but trading from this fair value gap here. You can see this sell side delivery into this fair value gap, and then buy side delivery here coming in after. But you can see Bitcoin struggling to close above this bullish order block right here. And then here on the daily chart, you have all-time highs right here where there's buy-side liquidity resting. Today, liquidity was sought out at yesterday's lows, day before yesterday, basically taking out the last few days here with sell-side liquidity being swept out. I was able to take advantage of this move here. I had a position down here, but I took it off early. I chickened out, and then my final target was here, but I never set an order for down here for a rebalance of this fair value gap. And then right now my bias for tomorrow will be to the short side for sell side delivery. So I have the low of the yesterday crypto. Right here is the new crypto day. Here is yesterday, which is Tuesday. So Wednesday's already started with crypto. So I would be looking to target yesterday's low, or this would be today's low, which would be Tuesday's low, and then looking for a potential rebalance of this fair value gap here. And then this would be 50% of the entire dealing range here. If I pull up a Fibonacci retracement tool, here you can see this level here is at equilibrium. Here. And then here for a rebalance of the fair value gap, which is right here, and this order block right here. So this would be my final target potentially for tomorrow, and then I would anticipate some continued buy side delivery potentially after contact with this order block. I'm not certain if all this will happen tomorrow, but this is what I'm looking at over the course of the week. So potentially taking these two or maybe these three positions for tomorrow, and possibility of this position, but still remains to be seen. But with this large down close candle, to me it looks like this could be setting up potential pullback for another leg higher here. Then if we come down on the lower time frames, we'll start here on the 4-hour chart. So I took a trade yesterday in this area and was able to take this trade to profit. Actually, no, that's my current entry, but I was able to take profits down here. But you can see here, this blue area here, this is the fair value gap, and this area here, this is the order block. And you can see Bitcoin traded down into these and is now consolidating and may come deliver to the buy side, and then sell side delivery is what I would anticipate following that. And then if we come over here to the 60-minute, these purple lines that you see here, this is the Asian range. I missed this trade this morning. I took some internal range liquidity down to here, but that didn't work out. I got stopped out when it came back up in this move. which that was an error on my part, because actually this was my trade right here, waiting for this short to go long here and then taking this short here. But I was able to catch this here to take this short. So this the Asian range is in the purple here. That was swept in London, and then London and then New York here swept London and then went short. And now I'm in this trade down here as the New York PM session here swept the New York AM session. So now I'm looking to deliver to the buy side here into this fair value gap and order block area for potential reversal tomorrow, as I'm looking for sell side overall tomorrow. And here on the 15-minute, again, you can see the sell here, chickened out on this stuff down here that I could have taken more profits. And now you can see my current dealing range, and then you can see there are 2 order blocks and 2 fair value gaps down in this area. And I messed up this entry by entering prematurely here. So I entered at the fair value gap, but the fair value gap was above the equilibrium level here, this 50% of the dealing range, which it did get to. Originally had my order down here at the lower fair value gap, but FOMO got the best of me and I moved it up, but in reality, right in the middle would have been the more appropriate entry point. And now you can see buy side delivery coming in here, and my first entries are down here. If we come into the 1 minute, I'll scrub back and we'll find those entries here. So my second entry is based off the 15. My first entry here is based off of this 1 minute chart. So here on the 1 minute chart, I take my entry here at this candle here, or right after this candle here, as there is a market structure shift here. And then you get buy side delivery here, pull back. I take a second entry, get deeper pull back here, testing this order block right here. And then buy side delivery in a big way here. And then if we switch to the 15-minute chart, you can see this position that I'm most currently, or that I most recently entered here in conjunction with this fair value gap and order block. You can see similar here on the 60-minute. You see this fair value gap here and this very large order block. And for targeting, my first target is equilibrium of this entire daily range. So this is the daily range currently on Bitcoin for today. So my first target is right around, actually, okay, I'm off from my range. I typically only count for bodies of candles, but when I'm doing range, I want to count the entire range. So I'm going to need to adjust this order accordingly here. Oh, it's almost right. 122.788.9. Fix this order. Okay. This order, if this order is successful and I'm able to take profit, I'll move the remaining positions to break even or above break even. So this is going for equilibrium of the price leg for today. And then the remaining positions here. This one is for a rebalance of this fair value gap here. And then the entry here off of the 15-minute here. I'm targeting the rebalance of this small fair value gap right here. So essentially 50% this fair value gap rebalance and this fair value gap rebalance. And then for a look at some of the mess for today, we'll take a look at my history. So this, what was this? This was London. I was messing around with some internal range liquidity, but these are all voluntary stop outs here. This here, I think I think this was New York. I think this was New York. Then this was me taking profits from the short from yesterday. This was a loss. I think I went long early. And then this, I stopped out of this position voluntarily, went long early in the PM session, and now collecting BTC in this current long position. But overall, I would anticipate some buy-side delivery, some slow buy-side delivery over the course of the Asian range. And if all goes well, I'll at least be able to get to equilibrium and be able to move to break even if buy-side delivery can continue here as it has been for the last 30 minutes. But if you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together.